Hi, it's Handy Val. In this video, I am going to be replacing my rear brake light. To get to it, you got to get into the trunk, and it's a fairly easy replacement. The first thing you got to do is you got to remove this. It's kind of a little screw. You could do it by hand. You could do it with a little stubby screwdriver, and it just kind of yanks itself off automatically. And what you have to do here is, and then you've got to start to kind of peel off the carpet here. Don't be afraid, you know, this carpet will not break. You don't need to remove any of this plastic. Just try to get the carpet away out of the plastic, just like that. This light, this bulb, is behind this plastic piece here. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your hands around it, and you're going to want to turn counterclockwise. Okay, just turning it, I'm turning it, and there it is, and it just kind of just comes out. And there's the bulb. And that's the hole where it came from. Get your hands around the bulb, hold this base, and just pull on it. Simple as that. Now when you're replacing it with the new bulbs, it is the 7443. I'll have everything in the video description. You may want to try to avoid touching them with your hands, because as you get grease around any of these, or your oils, natural oils, your skin oils, you could actually, the longevity of the bulb could be diminished. So what I usually like to do is I like to kind of use a glove. Again, this is an optional step, because again, these bulbs are quite easy to replace, and they're very cheap as well, only a few dollars each. So now with the bulb end, I don't think there's no up or down here. You're just going to put that bulb right in, just like that, and push on it. So now with the bulb on, you're going to need to take notice of these shapes over here. So when you actually put it back into the hole, you know how to slide it in and then turn it. So when you slide it in, then you're going to put it in there and then turn it clockwise. Okay, you get it in there. It's kind of secure. You're going to turn it clockwise. And there you go. It's pretty secure. It's not coming out. And let's give it a try. So once you confirm that it works, okay, and that it's obviously nicely snug in there, also you have access to the rear bulb light as well, just if you're looking for it. And obviously that's the bulb we removed. Now it's time just to put the carpeting back. And so you're just going to want to slide this behind this plastic piece. Okay. Get that out there. And then with this little kind of plastic screw cap, more just kind of put that in there. Give it a little bit of a twist. Make sure it doesn't come out, and you are done. And that's it. Thanks for watching Handy Val. Don't forget to check my Handy Val channel for other Ford Fusion how-to videos. Bye for now.